Hello, my name is Berk, and I'm preparing this video for how can I say internship application for Portugal and business process management. And yeah, there are some questions, 8 questions, and I can start from the first question and tell me about myself. And okay, so my name is Berk, and I am 24 years old, and I study at Istanbul. I study management information systems, and I'm in my last year. It's gonna be my last year, I hope. And my actually dream is to continue from data analytics and data analysis because I really like this major and I want to improve myself on this major. And okay, let me talk about my hobbies. My hobbies are I'm like very interested in sports. I like to play football, table tennis, and I do boxing. And okay, instead of besides sports, I like to listen musics, different kind of musics, like rap, pop, sometimes even classic musics. And I like to watch like different movies, such as science fiction, that movies tells about the future, These are my hobbies. And okay, I talked to you about my education and my professional paths. My professional path is like I want to be a data analyst, and I want to continue at this major. I want to really improve myself on this area. And okay, second question: what type of person I am when I work in a team? I'm not doing okay. I'm kind of person that's ambitious and who does things on my own, and I don't like to be distracted. I like to do everything in the time, and I don't like to uh, get them late. I don't like to be late. I like to do everything in time, and everything must be planned. Everything must be disciplined. And yeah, this my answer. And about the third question, what my expectation for the experience? What do you want to gain personally? Well, I want to gain, I want to gain it will be really a great opportunity for me because it will be my first time to go to abroad, and I'm gonna have an international company experience, and also I'm gonna be able to improve myself on data analytics, and I will have a huge network, and I really believe that I'm gonna gain the company a lot of things. Yes, that's my answer. And yes, like the fourth question, tell me about all of your education experience. What did you learn? What skills did you gain? Okay, I can start from my university experience, and it's my fourth year. That last year for my university, and plus there was like 1 year English preparation year, totally 5 years. First of all, I really had a chance to improve myself on English, really, because we had the writing lessons, we have reading, and we have speaking lessons. So I really had an opportunity to improve myself on all these skills, and I had to improve myself on English. And yes, also about the courses, I learned data analysis such as SQL, Python, and Excel and Power BI. And that these are the courses that we learn on the university. But besides that, also we learn C Sharp, Java, HTML. So what I mean is like web developing and also machine learning. But what I decided to improve myself was data analysis because I really like this major, as I say. So I improved myself on Power BI and SQL and Excel, and also Python as well. And besides this, we had also, uh, how can I say, business courses such as economy, business, and also accounting. Okay. And yes, let me read the fifth question. One skill from- Okay. This question wants me to analyze myself on a scale from 0 to 10. Okay. First of all, on data analysis such as Excel, Power BI, Excel, and Python, I can really say to myself about 8 to 1, like 8 from 10. 8 from 10, yes. Because I really improve myself on this major, and I just, sometimes even make the practices, do some projects, little projects, and also I upload all the projects to my GitHub file. That projects that I prepare with SQL and Power BI and Excel, which I use data analytics and data cleaning, etc. And process automation such as Power Automate and Python. Okay, I can say that I'm six because I also use Python on data analysis, so I can say that I can use Python on data analytics. Mm, Well, unfortunately, I don't have any experience about BPM and that workflow documentation. I don't have any experience, to be honest. But I can learn, I can improve myself. And KPIs and waste analysis. Okay, in KPIs, as I told you in SQL, I prepare a lot of KPIs, that KPI requirements and SQL queries, because these are the really one of the most necessary queries that companies use. And what I like to do is that preparing these KPI requirements by SQL querying. I I do it, and I can say that I'm seven from 10. And yeah, about the sixth question, what skills do I have that I believe that are relevant for an opportunity in business process? Okay, I'm good at analytics. I told you in the video, and I really trust myself. I can I can use SQL, Power BI, Excel, and Python. I can clean the big data because I worked in the company. I know how these things are. I can do it. Um, yeah, I'm good. And also, besides that, I have professional certificates in Microsoft by Power BI and Excel. So these are the things that I'm good at. Yes, I can say that I'm thinking I'm seven because also I can speak English good, and I'm able to communicate with a lot of people from different countries. So I'm used to it, you know. And besides that, I can speak Spanish. So I think I can work in how can I say, internationally. I can work internationally. So that's why I'm saying I can say that I'm seven from 10. And about the seventh question, from 0 to 10, how would you evaluate myself in English and how comfortable? Okay, I can say I'm nine, or I 8 or 9, but close to 9, because I can speak English fluently. I don't have any like. Mm, I can say that I cannot speak English because I can speak English, and I'm able to communicate with a lot of people because I'm used to hear a lot of different accents from all around the world, from England, from America, from India, from a lot of countries. So I know how people can speak with their accents in English, and I can understand it. I can understand them, and I'm able to communicate with them. So that's why I can say I'm nine. You know. Also, the question says that, am I comfortable? Are you speaking public? Yes, I'm 100% comfortable because this isn't the first time that I talk. This isn't the first time that I got preparing. So I'm really comfortable and I can speak with everyone. Why do you think you are the best candidate for this company? What will be your main contribution? Okay, I don't think that I'm best candidate. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. Who says? You know. But maybe I can be the best candidate because I'm good at data analytics. I can speak English. I have experience to work international from different companies, from different company. So I can work. I can speak English. I'm able to do it. I'm used to it, and also I'm good at data analytics. I'm good at Python. So I think even if I'm not the best, I can consider myself that I'm one of the best candidates for this company. And thank you so much for listening and watching this video, and have a nice day.